Hi friends, this is SL Tech. Today, we'll teach you how to easily install Instagram into a mobile application. Most people use Instagram to use the computer, but you probably know that your valuable mobile data soon runs out of PC through Instagram. Today we teach you how to Instagram PC install it from mobile view. Without any Android emulator. After this method is followed, you can Instagram when you have a large screen and cost low data amount. Let's see how to do this. This is SL Tech. First click on the link that you have given below and download this software. I'm not download this right now, because I already download this setup file. Now go to your download folder. Now, as usual, install this software on your computer. Follow these steps to do this. Now open the software. Now you must log on through your Instagram account. You see? We installed Instagram on PC without any Android emulator. Keep watching these videos and stay tuned with this SL Tech.